Мене звати Єлизавета Посівних.
My name is Yelizaveta Posivnych. I am a student from Ukraine. I grew up in Lvov with my older sister and parents. My favorite subject is geography. In my school in Ukraine, I had a favorite teacher of this subject. She is a very professional and positive teacher, and it is indeed thanks to this teacher that I fell in love with this subject. I think that education is a very important aspect in the life of every person, because without education, it will be very difficult for a person to find themselves, to realize their purpose in life. And the more educated people there will be, there are fewer wars and problems there will be in our world. Arriving in another country with a different language and a completely different mentality is very difficult. Usually, refugees who flee their country because of war are in a disadvantageous financial situation. This makes learning virtually impossible. All of my friends and relatives are still in Ukraine. They are still there. They are frightened and shocked. However, despite the fact that war is raging in their country, they intend to pursue their studies with the hope of a better future. None of them wishes to leave their native home, their country, and I too wish to return home because it will be far better for me to continue my studies. My message to you as leaders is that you must make education free for all students who leave their country, regardless of the circumstances of the world. Young people are the future. Without education, we will be unable to fully realize our great potential for the benefit of the entire world. Thank you.